2. Three. 96. Then 4. You get these from the access document. Okay, options, calibrate. Read this. Okay. So we want the tips. Right there. So I can check that one out. So we want those to be centered. So I should probably move them forward a little bit. Yeah, just a tiny bit. Okay, so they moved. What I did is I hit jog 0.05. Okay. That looks pretty centered now. Just hit close clamp, open clamp. Actually, these back ones, they still look pretty weird. So I'm gonna move it some more. So I hit jog 0.05 3 times. I hit close clamp, and now they look in the center, which is good. Yep, and those ones are a little off, but that's fine because most of them are in the center. Okay, all I did was hit next here. Come on, focus. There we go. Okay, ensure calibration block is in position 3. That's what this is. Next. So now this block is 12.5 millimeters high, and we want to make this touch the top of the block so it resets where the mosquito thinks 12.5 millimeters is. And this is the number that the mosquito is just reading out right now. So likely this number will be like 12.48 because the mosquito got a little bit off with how high it thinks the tips are. So what I'm gonna do is just hit the head down button. So that button, just gonna hold it until it goes yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, yep, just touch. I'm gonna move this back and forth, and what I want to see is the tips catch a little bit, just like that. Okay, cool. And what I like to do sometimes is just push it down one click, so it's a little tight, and then go up by 0.025. Next, okay, move these tips out of the way. Now, I need to line up that first pipette with the line so that's in the X direction. So that looks pretty good. I'm just gonna check the rest. Yeah, let's see. It's hard for you to see, but I'm just gonna check it myself. So it looks pretty good. Just gonna look down the line of sight. That looks pretty fine. So yeah, you know, it's hard to tell, but that's fine. And then I'm gonna do the y-axis. So that's gonna be, let's see. This is gonna be very